Hey there! Ever wondered how a simple piece of paper that you jot your notes on comes to be? Well, buckle up, because today I'm diving into the fascinating process of paper manufacturing. First up, it all starts with raw materials, predominantly trees. Softwoods like pine and hardwoods like birch are the main heroes here. These trees are harvested and sent to a mill, where they're chipped into small pieces. Next, these wood chips are cooked with chemicals in a large pressure cooker called a digester. This process breaks down the wood into a mushy substance known as pulp. Now, not all pulp is created equal. Depending on the type of paper needed, the pulp might be bleached to make it whiter or left as is for a more natural look. After the pulp is ready, it's time for the paper machine to take the stage. The pulp is mixed with water to form a slurry. Think of it as a pulp smoothie that's spread onto a large screen. As the screen moves, water drains out and the fibers start bonding together. Here's where the magic happens. The damp fiber web passes through heated rollers which press and dry it into a strong, thin sheet. Voila! Paper is born, but we're not done yet. This paper is then wound onto large reels. Depending on its final use, it may be cut into sheets or further processed into products like notebooks, printer paper, or even toilet paper. Now, you might be thinking, what about recycling? Good point. Recycled paper follows a similar process, but it starts with used paper instead of wood chips. This paper is washed and de-inked, essentially giving fibers a second life, which is a win for our planet. So there you go. Whether it's a sketch, a letter, or your next big project, you now know the journey paper takes to get to your hands. Next time you scribble something down, give a little nod to the incredible process behind it. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more everyday wonders explained simply. And remember, every piece of paper has a story. What will yours be? Subscribe to our channel to never miss an episode.